Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the BPMIO robot vacuum and mop. And this robo vacuum has been such a great help to keep the house clean without much effort. It really has saved us so much time because it doesn't only vacuum, but it also mops. It was very easy to set up. It only took me 5 minutes to get it ready and download the app. And I really like that once I started it for the first time, it went around the edges of my entire apartment to map it out. And once it had a layout of the apartment, it started vacuuming. And let me tell you, I was very impressed with how it did. We have 2 cats in our house that are always leaving hair everywhere. They get the floor near the litter box messy, and they also like to take their food out of their bowl to play with. That's why we love this vacuum. It picks up so much cat hair, food, and when it mops, it does such a great job cleaning any stains or dry food off the kitchen floor. It does very well knowing where it is, it avoids any obstacle on the way, and it did a great job climbing a higher threshold in my kitchen. The battery of the vacuum lasts a very long time. I have noticed that it can vacuum most of my apartment in a single charge. And I don't have to clean it as often because it self-cleans every time it goes back to the base to charge. Another great function is that now my cats have another distraction to keep them entertained and on guard all the time. So really, this has been such a great helper in the cleaning of the house. And that is my point of view.